becoming partly sunny. Highs in the lower 60s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KZZ33, transmitting on a frequency of 162.525 MHz from the broadcast tower of Central Michigan University, courtesy of the CMU Public Broadcast Center. The current time is 11:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the Area Weather Outlook, issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Temperatures will remain below normal through Thursday. Highs today will only top out around 40 degrees, which is about 20 degrees below normal. Lows tonight will dip into the 20s with damage to fruit trees likely again. Highs on Thursday will moderate a bit with highs up around the 50-degree mark. An isolated rain or snow shower is possibly today, otherwise partly cloudy skies are expected. Conditions around the area at 11.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm system. We normally conduct the test on Wednesdays around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. At 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. At 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. At 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. At 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. At 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. At 162.425 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. At 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device.
Now here is your local forecast. Rest of today, mostly sunny.